time wasting अभी से.
यार वही the best thing about Arsenal is even they aren't particularly sure about why they're playing. That's why you
What do you mean? Even they aren't particularly sure, you asshole.
no, but I think उनको पता है ये किसी ना किसी ने भेज दिया है यहाँ पे. हम जीत रहे हैं तो जीत रहे हैं, हार रहे हैं तो हार रहे हैं, बस चल रहा है, जुगाड़ चल रहा है इतने टाइम से. That's the beauty of Arsenal.
But Arsenal's been very happy winning the FA Cup for I don't know how long as well.
यार वही तो है. और कुछ हो ना हो, हम इंग्लैंड के सेकंड बिगेस्ट ट्रॉफी तो हमारे नाम पे लिखी गई है. अब उनको बस कम्युनिटी शील्ड भी दे दो, वो बड़ी सी प्लेट है कम्युनिटी शील्ड का. लिटरली थिंक इट्स अ ह्यूज, लाइक वो शादियों में द गिफ्ट दैट इज री गिफ्ट नहीं होता.
Community
बड़ा
Shield is shit.
जो शादी में वो जो गंदा पोर्सलिन होता है जो तुम फिर से रैप करके किसी और की शादी में दे देते
Wait,
हो, दैट
they're
इज
going to
कम्युनिटी
play
शील्ड.
Liverpool. नहीं होगा भाई, पागल है
हाँ,
तो.
चलो इस साल उनको प्लेट भी
लिवरपूल
नहीं,
मार
उनको
देगी
उनको
इनको.
इस साल प्लेट भी नहीं
Oh,
दे रहे.
plate.
प्लेट भी नहीं दे रहे
Plate.
क्या
It
यार.
actually is a plate.
एक्चुअली
It's like
लाइव
the
दैट इज अ प्लेट.
Bundesliga ka
अबे
plate.
लिटरली आर्सेन
No,
वेंगर वाज सीन ईटिंग फूड ऑन इट वंस, पता है तुझे?
it is a plate. I remember I see it
Yeah,
whenever I watch the match.
they
Community
were
Shield,
making
August
jokes.
में.
आर्सेन वेंगर used to actually eat food of it मैच के बाद. उसका वीडियो था.
अबे ओ शुरू करो रे, नहीं तो नहीं होगा तेरा पबजी बाद में फिर.
हाँ अच्छा,
True.
एपिसोड को इंट्रोड्यूस करना.
Hi everyone, welcome to the 7th episode of the Vele podcast, where we talk about anything ranging from movies to absolute rubbish nowadays. I'm your host
Sayonara.
Akash, and I'm joined by the regular crew, Amrit. Say hello, idiot.
नहीं बोल रहा.
Okay.
Hey, what's
Kevin.
up?
You
What up?
spoke before I introduced you, you asked. And Arnav.
Hello.
So, boys, how is it going apart from us watching the Chelsea Arsenal match?
तू बता यार, तेरी टीम है.
It's very
what are you-
entertaining.
So, I've conveniently switched for this match to Arsenal right now.
ऐसे कर सकते हैं.
No, man, it leaves a bad taste when I say that
फिर
word.
तो मैं कोई आज
Chelsea, come
जिंदगी
on,
में आज
man,
तक
what
मैच नहीं
rubbish.
हारा.
ये कोई
Are
फाइनल
you
चल रहा है
gone?
क्या?
Gone.
It's
FA
the
Cup
FA
final
Cup. FA Cup final.
Gone.
Oh.
Kale, are you
It's
officially a gunner?
That sounds so bad, man. I can't hear it, the word gunner.
Wait, how come Chelsea खेल रही है? I thought final में. Oh, okay, never
No,
mind.
that's the Premier
This is a
League.
cup.
This is the second cup, the
That's-
second level cup.
No,
Premier League, we weren't
I-
going to win. That was
अर्नव
for
डाउट,
sure.
अर्नव अपना डाउट ढंग से पूछना डाउट.
नहीं मैं समझ गया कि ये important नहीं है, चलता फिरता
It's
कब
not,
है सब.
it's not very important, but Arsenal has found it
Yeah.
important for the last 30 years, maybe. I don't know how long it's been.
Oh.
और कुछ
feels like
they
30
can't
years.
win anything else.
अबे
It
ऐसे
feels like
मत
30
बोल.
years.
Oh, Kevin, just because your team plays in a two team league doesn't mean that बेचारा Arsenal का ऐसे
Wait.
मजाक कर.
Just to be
Two-team league.
clear, we have no trophies this year, okay? So I'm
So-
not commenting on
For
anything.
everyone, Kevin is a Barcelona supporter or UEFA, no? That's what they're called.
Screw you guys. What are you, Team Abramovich?
Gosh, team used to say that, kids used to say that 10-15 years ago. यार क्या यार,
Yeah,
थोड़े
yeah.
check the modern memes and make a joke. क्या बात कर
What
रहा
is
है?
the modern memes? What is a
ये
modern meme on Barcelona?
मुझे क्या पता, मैं थोड़ा ना देखता हूँ.
just call it Messi FC. There's nothing else in that club currently.
That is not an insult. He's the
All
greatest
shit,
of. He's unfortunately.
That's not making
I,
fun of it.
I hate saying it, but he's unfortunately the greatest player of our generation. Like, I don't understand how that is a bad thing. यूनाइटेड का लक इतना खराब है, हमें तो रॉबिन वैन पर्सी एफसी बुलाते थे. तो again, it's not a bad player, but I wish Messi was our best player. Kevin, you would have a very different last 10 years if Messi was not on your team. Like, you have to admit that.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, I
no,
mean, you would have
absolutely.
scored against Chelsea much earlier. For sure. If you had Messi and not in your team.
Fucking
मैं
Messi.
तो एक बार लिवरपूल को सपोर्ट कर रहा था.
What were you supporting?
लिवरपूल को.
What rubbish.
नहीं,
What rubbish.
Akash, so that Akash, थोड़ा structure के लिए will you explain to the viewers कि अर्नव का logic क्या है on supporting football clubs? Can you explain it to them?
Arnav likes to support the sport. Is that what you're getting at? Or the winning team?
Or the winning team, I was about to say.
Arnav supports the team that is winning.
You know, वो भी
Or
मुझे
that-
पता नहीं लगता कि तो दैट टू मुझे पता लगा बिकॉज़ लेब्रॉन जेम्स ने पोस्ट किया, इसलिए मुझे पता लगा कि ये जीते हैं, अदरवाइज मुझे पता ही नहीं
Yeah,
लगता.
that asshole is a
he's
stakeholder.
a minority stakeholder in them,
Yeah,
na, I think.
he's a stakeholder.
Yeah.
That's why I hate
That's
him.
amazing.
But anyway,
That's an amazing business decision. He bought it at the
No,
right time.
he bought it at the perfect time, like right
Yeah.
before they got good. He became a minority stakeholder in them. Like I don't know. अगर उसको I guess people should have figured कि अगर LeBron's investing money, there must be something. But when he invested, I remember laughing कि क्या झंड टीम में कर रहा है यार, क्या बात कर रहा है.
I feel he didn't know much about the club. He just thought that it was, oh, Liverpool's a cool
I
name.
don't think,
Like,
नहीं
Akash, I
नहीं
don't think it had
यार
anything to do with him. I'm sure he has like a business team
oh,
that
definitely.
is,
That's for sure. I'm just kidding. I
yeah.
doubt he
Yeah,
did
yeah.
it because of that.
यार भाई फॉर्मेट क्या है हमारे इस चीज का by the way?
So the format is like last episode, where each of us brings a topic to the episode to discuss. So Arnav
आकाश
last time brought a really good topic, but we
नहीं
didn't
नहीं
manage to discuss
नहीं
it.
नहीं आकाश भाई ऐसा करते हैं ना, shouldn't we start with अर्नव, उसको चांस नहीं मिला था.
Yeah, that's
नहीं
what
नहीं,
I was
it's okay, it's
sticking with
okay.
until
Start
you
with Amrit.
Yeah,
took
I'm
नहीं
it
not
नहीं
up.
ready
नहीं,
either.
just
I was
start with
getting
Amrit.
no, Arnav, you had a really good topic in the last show that we didn't cover. So I want to give
अबे
you the
नहीं
chance to cover the topic.
अबे अबे उठा हूँ अभी, सो के रे, सोचने दे मुझे, तो अमृत से स्टार्ट कर.
Okay, Amrit, then we'll start with you.
वाह
Amrit, what
मतलब
is your topic?
अभी देखो, my topic is based on something that has been that has become quite the rage among the public, among the among
Talk.
the scoop whoops of
Mhm.
the world कि like एक show release हुआ है recently called Indian Matchmaking, जिसके ऊपर like people तुम में से किसी ने देखा है अभी तक?
You
Yeah,
asshole.
I've seen couple of episodes.
When I said let's watch this and review it, you said no.
I saw it because my wife I saw it because my wife made me watch it, okay? ठीक है? तो I literally had to watch that show with my wife. तो तेरे rules don't count when जब घर के rules अलग होते हैं.
So
तो
how is Tara finding it actually?
she found it thoroughly entertaining. But my question is like, okay, the debate it started like the paid debate because इन्होंने इतने न्यूज़ वालों को पैसे दिए इस बारे में बात करने को कि controversy. The movie is about arranged एक आंटी है, the series is about an auntie going around fixing up people. Arranged marriage का system है. तो my question is not the normal. मैं तुमसे ये नहीं पूछने वाला कि तुम्हारा view on love marriage और arranged marriage क्या है. That's a discussion we can slip into later. My question is this: like the outrage about this series that has been raised by a certain section of people is that कि इनका आइडिया ऑफ अरेंज्ड मैरिज में जो ये लोगों के ऊपर ये बोल रहे हैं कि लड़की इस तरीके से होनी चाहिए, वो होनी चाहिए, और लड़की अगर एम्बिशियस है तो कांड हो जाता है, लाइक किसी को पसंद नहीं है, उसके वेडिंग के चांसेस कम हो जाते हैं. तो मेरी थियरी ऑन दिस, आई डोंट इवन वांट यू टू कमेंट ऑन दैट. My theory on this, which I would like, which is a question to you guys, is do you not think anyone who is that progressive in life should not go to a traditional matchmaker in the first place? That is my question. लाइक इतना कंट्रोवर्सी जनरेट हुआ है कि ये प्रोग्रेसिव लड़कियां जिनकी हाई डिग्री है वो है, इनको अच्छा मैच क्यों नहीं मिल रहा क्योंकि इनकी उम्र हो गई है, और वो लड़कियां भी बोल रही हैं कि ऐसी क्या दिक्कत है, हमारे ऊपर ये पंगा क्यों कर रहे हो. और मेरा सवाल है, should in your opinion should these girls go to a traditional matchmaker in the first place जो उन्हें
No.
conventionally जज
So
करेंगे.
wait, I've got a question. Is it the girls that are going, or is it like their parents or something that are
No,
taking
तो
them?
सब in these cases these are all girls who are based कुछ बाहर हैं, इंडिया से बाहर हैं, कुछ इंडिया के अंदर हैं, इंडियन ओरिजिन की लड़कियां हैं, and they are like they're genuinely like looking for a spouse. One is like two cases बहुत specifically that have caused huge controversies. One is a 34-year-old lawyer, Indian lawyer based out of New York. Other is a 29-year-old business owner in Bombay. जिनको for various reasons, essentially because of their career-oriented approach, लड़का नहीं मिल रहा. और लोग बोल रहे हैं कि जो आंटी थी वो बोल रही थी कि बेटा तुम्हें कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए. और मेरा इशू ये था कि आई एम फुल्ली इन सपोर्ट ऑफ एनी person who wants to live their life based on their career, but
Yeah.
end of the day, do you think मेरा था कि they should not go then to a traditional person to find a match for them? What is your opinion on it?
I mean, it depends on their situation, right? I guess people. I'm guessing people sometimes go in there when they're out of luck, they're finding no luck in their relationships and are tired of like feeling they've been through bad relationships or something. So they resort to this as like their next option.
I
Because
think a 34-year-old girl would struggle as well because it's
yeah,
it's sad, but like you're getting judged on the age. But I think it's that's how Indian matrimony works as well, especially for girls. They get judged very hard on age. And the perspective is if this girl's not married, like 30 or 31 plus, and she's not married, then there is something wrong with her. Like that
yeah,
is
age
the
is a
very
big thing.
sad perspective. perspective.
Age is a big thing that everyone believes. Like in Indian families, a lot of people believe that you should get married before 30. After 30, no one will marry you. For girls, especially.
Is that
Actually,
ageist? Is
only
that
for
a
girls.
term?
दैट इज
Yeah, it is
एजिस्ट
kind of
या
ageist.
एजिस्ट
Yeah,
बोलते
it is in a way just.
बट बात वही है ना कि देख तुम्हारी बात भी सही है मेरा सवाल दो आई वुड मुझे उस पे हो जाए डोंट यू थिंक दे शुड नो बेटर बिफोर गोइंग टू अ ट्रेडिशनल मैच मेकर आई एम नॉट सेइंग दे शुडंट गो टू अ मैच मेकर दे वेंट टू
It's
अ ट्रेडिशनल इंडियन
Traditional.
मैच मेकर लाइक जो
Mm-hmm.
आंटी है
Arnav.
यू नो द आंटी
Um,
जो जो लोगों का
Yeah, Seema,
बायोडेटा
I've
कलेक्ट
heard.
सीमा आंटी जो लोगों का बायोडेटा कलेक्ट करती है
Yeah.
सीमा आंटी वाज इन दिस शो वी ऑल नो द आंटीज राइट the
I
prototype
don't
of
know.
an auntie whose
Yeah,
opinion
yeah.
has
Oh
a
yeah, yeah.
so they if don't you think they should avoid going to such people in the first place like because the
I
argument
yes.
online is that anti judgmental है और मैंने कहा बात सही है anti judgmental है तो आपको ये पता है ना आप इनके पास क्यों जा रहे हो was my question
Exactly. Definitely agree.
No,
So
I
first
But
of
I
all,
think
ये show is it a staged or is it a actual पूरा
it's a
real life पे based?
reality show है so this was essentially actual couples जिनकी शादी करवाने की कोशिश कर रही थी so they actually sought to be on this thing and look for a spouse through this thing
give them my number. I'll be the trophy husband.
Kevin if you watch this
trophy
show
wife,
you will
trophy wife.
understand
I mean that
I mean,
Akash, are
actually
you
we don't
sexist,
know.
Akash? You can be a
No,
trophy
no, no.
husband as well.
Oh,
Or
okay.
a house husband. Okay.
No,
yeah
I was
that's
saying you
Oh
were going to be a trophy wife. I
That's
wasn't going to say.
incredibly regressive of you, Akash, by the way. I never thought. But हाँ, अर्नब तो कुछ बोल रहा था भाई before these boys interrupted you.
मैंने मैंने एक दो एपिसोड्स देखे हैं सो आई डोंट नो मच अबाउट द शो बट ऐसा मुझे नहीं पता कि शो पे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्यों होंगे जो तेरा क्वेश्चन वैलिड है कि वो शो पे गए क्यों आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स रिलेटेड टू फेम इन
नहीं
सब
नहीं
का
नहीं forget even the show पे गए क्यों वाला part. वो तो क्योंकि even these people have said कि it was not scripted. That has come out later also. Scripted नहीं है इसमें. They have
आर दे
all
गेटिंग
Amrit's asking whether why would people anyway go to a
no
traditional
no
family?
नहीं नहीं assume अर्नब कि outside of the show also anyone
Yeah.
who has that progressive outlook on life should they the controversy right now क्योंकि जो इंडिया में ये debate which is being forced down our throats is कि यार ऐसा हम ऐसा सोचते क्यों हैं एंड माय थिंग वाज अ लार्जर केस इन पॉइंट कि जब तुम्हें ऑलरेडी पता है कि अ सर्टेन सेक्शन ऑफ पीपल थिंक अ सर्टेन वे तो तुम उनकी वैलिडेशन के लिए वापस क्यों जाओगे तुम उन्हीं के सर्कल में वापस क्यों जाओगे जब तुम्हें पता है कि वो क्योंकि ये लड़कियां इस शो के टाइम एंड इवन आफ्टरवर्ड्स जो डिबेट बना है लेट मी गो इनटू व्हाई आई आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन द डिबेट आफ्टर दिस इज कि कॉम्प्रोमाइज क्यों होना चाहिए व्हाई आर दे कॉम्प्रोमाइजिंग ये आंटी ऐसे क्योंकि आंटी बोलती रहती है लड़कियों को इसमें कि कॉम्प्रोमाइज करो तुम्हें तो कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना ही पड़ेगा एंड दैट हैज क्रिएटेड अ लॉट ऑफ लाइक एंग्स्ट इन पीपल की
ओ वो सिर्फ लड़कियों को बोलती हैं कि तुम्हें कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ेगा
या वो लड़कों से वो ऐसे बोल नहीं रही एंड माय थिंग वाज लाइक आई हैड अ डिस्कशन अबाउट दिस टुडे लाइक मैं तारा से बात हुई है मेरी इस बात पे एंड शी वाज टेलिंग मी डिस्कशंस विद हर फ्रेंड्स एंड आई वांटेड टू आस्क यू गाइस लाइक it was my viewpoint which I came after having a quite a long chat was कि if you
wait.
know somebody holds a certain opinion about something very strongly एंड तुम उसकी ऑपोजिट
Yeah.
चीज अपनी लाइफ में कर रहे हो सो देन इजंट गोइंग बैक टू देम फॉर वैलिडेशन लाइक
आई थिंक मेरा
ridiculous
पॉइंट आई थिंक सिमिलर टू आकाश का पॉइंट है कि डिपेंड्स राइट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फ्रॉम माय पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस जिन लोगों को मैं जानता हूँ once unfortunately once you hit that certain age it becomes extremely hard ये मेरी फैमिली में केसेस है ये जूलिया के सबके फैमिली में केसेस आते हैं एंड जो एक करियर ओरिएंटेड माइंडसेट है चाहे लड़कों का हो चाहे लड़कियों का हो ऑनेस्टली बिलीव नाउ दैट आई हैव
नहीं,
क्रॉस दैट स्टेज वो
अब
समझ में आता
लड़कियों
है
को
कैसे
इट्स लड़कियों को सॉरी लड़कियों को थोड़ा जज्ड होते हैं लाइक दैट इज आई थिंक सॉरी आई
नहीं
शुडंट
मेरा
have
पॉइंट
interrupted you.
या माय पॉइंट इज कि मैरिज एंड करियर दोस टू आर कंप्लीटली सेपरेट थिंग्स the first place they should not be combined कि if someone is career oriented let them live या someone is not then let them live या जो भी है right I don't think those two are same tracks those are completely separate tracks which can be tried at any damage right I don't think first of all वो ये मेरा personal है opinion है so it doesn't matter secondly I think इनकी life में पहले क्या हुआ है we don't know at least I don't know show में क्या दिखाया या in general like lots of times people try on their own who are independent and because they are so rigid they have a they have a hard time finding ladka ladki kuch bhi, right? And eventually sometimes you resort to the traditional वो चीजें, चाहे वो आंटी हो चाहे फैमिली मेंबर्स हो, कि यार आप कोई मिला दो, या फ्रेंड्स हो या कुछ भी हो, जो भी सो कॉल्ड अरेंज मैरिज का कॉन्सेप्ट
बट
है.
आई
आई
थिंक
थिंक
दैट
इवेंचुअली
वो नहीं, but जो तूने लास्ट लाइन बोली ना, आई थिंक दैट इज वेयर माय प्रॉब्लम लाइज, बिकॉज दैट इज समथिंग आई said very vehemently in the afternoon. I was talking to Tara about it, and this is what came to me during this also. If you are, there is a certain, हम ये माने या ना माने, society has a certain inbuilt majoritarian aspect of how people and women should be. वो गलत है 100%, तुम उस पे मान, you can be as opposite to it as you want. So once you choose the path of going opposite it, do it's, I think it's hypocritical to come back and then, you know, expect people to be different, because people culturally shift होंगे अभी. Actually I believe personally एक leap आया है last 20-25 years में, in the way even my, I'm pretty sure my parents do not think about women working that way at all. But now I know my parents very much wanted my sisters to be educated, and उनकी choice है, they can wait later to get married and all of that. So it's a gradual shift. But if
Yeah.
you are, but if you are somebody who is already there, क्योंकि मेरा दिक्कत ये है ना, तुम ये आंटी का व्यू पॉइंट्स आई डू नॉट एग्री विथ, बट शी इज हु शी इज, यू नो,
या
essentially.
डेफिनेटली इफ
Yeah.
शी इज सेइंग जस्ट कि भाई लड़कियों को कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना है, दैट्स कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग. आई
No,
मीन
no,
वो तो
because no, no, Arnav, is that throughout the show, she, what she's repeatedly, she tells everyone to compromise, but she's more vehement with the women. Because I, the but the argument that is being raised it कि like लड़कियों पे एक सिर्फ एक certain type of वो expectations है, but which also I found wrong, because इसी show के अंदर ironically you are shown कि a man being rejected because he does not meet certain financial standards. Like he gets one of the one of the unfortunate guys whom I found my favorite person in this, like जिसकी story देखकर है, उस बंदा इतना genuine, एक टीचर है वो ह्यूस्टन में, व्यासर नाम है बंदे का, बहुत अच्छा लौंडा है यार, और उसको जिस तरीके से रिजेक्शन वगैरह सहना पड़ता है, बिकॉज प्योरली क्योंकि ही इज नॉट एबल टू लाइक शो दैट उसका बहुत ह्यूज लेवल ऑफ एम्बिशन है या और कुछ है.
Wait, I have a question. Then, did the same girls who got rejected for age reject this guy?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, दे डिफरेंट केसेस थे, इन दे डिडंट
Okay.
क्रॉस पाथ, दे डिडंट
Because
क्रॉस
then
पाथ.
I was going to say, like, you guys have no right to speak then.
No, no,
Absolutely no right.
you know the thing now, because that's the thing ना, अभी होता क्या है केविन, सोसाइटी में टॉपिक्स डिस्कस होते हैं बेस्ड ऑन, ये शो ऐसा आता है, देन इसका एक ये शो के क्रिएटर्स ही इनफ पैसे देते हैं हमारे सर्टेन फेमस कंटेंट जनरेटर्स को, और वो टॉपिक्स पे वो होते हैं, पब्लिक देखती है क्या, तो इंडियन मैच मेकिंग लास्ट फ्यू वीक्स का फ्लेवर ऑफ द सीजन है, एंड बट इट इज रेसिंग सम वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वो टॉपिक्स कि लाइक ये ऐसा हम क्यों सोचते हैं, एंड वो, एंड आई वाज लाइक,
But
यू कैन आस्क अ सिंपल क्वेश्चन कि डू यू गाइस लाइक अरेंज मैरिज और लव मैरिज और व्हाटएवर दैट इज, बट माय थिंग वाज इट रेजेस अ बिगर थिंग कि आधी कंट्रोवर्सी इस बात की है कि लोगों को आंटी का बात करने का तरीका पसंद नहीं है, एंड माय थिंग वाज, अभी जब तुम्हें यू कैन नॉट एक्सपेक्ट दैट पर्सन टू से एनीथिंग एल्स, एंड मे बी दैट इज लाइक अ
yeah,
रॉन्ग थिंग, that is probably us enabling and giving an excuse to her behavior. But my thing is, I would never give a person like that power over me in the first place.
no,
कि
it's a different generation as well, right?
yeah, exactly. Like my thing is, even if you don't want to understand them, I will never give them that power. Like one of the things that I ended up like in the middle of my, क्योंकि जैसे मेरे उसमें था, Tara was like completely against कि ऐसे ये क्यों बोल रही है, and my thing was, I understand her. Does not mean I am okay with what she's saying, but I understand her. उनकी दुनिया वैसी थी. That is her world. I am sorry, but that is
बट
who she is. Like I cannot
या
change, you
It's
know?
like explaining a
एग्जैक्टली राइट.
80-year-old guy about equal rights for gays and like LGBTQ के लिए equal
Yeah,
rights. So 80%
1000%. Amazing, amazing example. Like I don't
बट
think
आई
I
थिंक
can.
आई डोंट थिंक इसमें कुछ गलत है, कि क्योंकि एंड ऑफ द डे शी इज अ मिडिल मैन, राइट? उसका और कोई रोल नहीं है. एंड ऑफ द डे शादी दो फैमिलीज या दो कपल, उस दो इंडिविजुअल्स में होने वाली है. सो एज लॉन्ग एज वो उनको मिला रही है, उसके ओपिनियंस क्या है बहुत ही कम वैल्यू रखते हैं, बिकॉज एंड ऑफ द डे लड़का लड़की दोनों एक दूसरे को जज करने ही वाले हैं, राइट? फ्रॉम व्हाट
No,
मुझे शो का
and the
एग्जैक्टली पता नहीं.
Okay,
families
so
are also going to judge each other. And the thing is, the problem पता है क्या है अर्नव? It's that thing, na, the things that are normally spoken in hushed tones were
हम्म.
spoken about in much more वो way. Because she was like saying, you know, she kept many times throwing in the thing कि हाँ अगर लड़की good looking है, fair है तो बहुत अच्छा है. That word fair was also like
Yeah.
Oh
uh,
yeah.
earmarked by certain people कि कुछ जगहों में वो fair को क्यों mention कर रही है ऐसे. And like
Mm.
you understand, right? Then it made people
That
uncomfortable.
is wrong.
Okay,
These
we,
बोला का?
I was gonna say, Amrit, I have a question. How does the matchmaking work? Do like the boy's family go to a matchmaker and say we want,
They
or
never
is it
tell us
the girl
how.
who
All they
goes?
know is that this Seema auntie has a lot of clients, and we are shown her interaction with clients. That's it.
What is she,
That's
pimp
all.
or something?
That's not.
That's that's but okay.
How did you come to that conclusion? Nahi, nobody say anything. Kevin, please tell us. How did you think that? Because I said clients.
Yeah, because you said clients. I was like, wait, is she pimp?
Yes, yes. A pimp has clients
But
as
but
well.
on another note, but when she said compromise, do you think she meant like a work-life balance or something like that? Because then work-life balance is also a compromise if you think about it.
I mean, my problem is not with compromise because that's a underlying principle of any
Life.
वो शादी या कुछ भी. But if she's saying only कि लड़कियों को compromise करना, yeah, that's fucked up. अगर वो दोनों को समझा रही है कि you both have to compromise, then it's
Yeah,
fine. I mean,
correct.
I understand. वो तो part है life का.
I think that the subtlety of the thing is, on one hand, it is कि both have to compromise, but one has to compromise in decision making, other has to compromise in life. That is the undertone which people do not like.
True.
And
So
But see, Amrit, there's also angle उसमें कि unfortunately या fortunately कुछ भी बोलो, life का एक बहुत बड़ा जो part है which is reproduction and giving birth, वो सिर्फ एक gender को दिया गया है, because of which all these things are, ये सब उसी चक्कर में होता है कि यार तुम शादी करते हो क्योंकि तुम्हें बाद में आगे life carry forward करनी
नहीं,
है.
and it is that tribal mentality. तुम्हें तुम्हारे
Yeah.
जेनेटिक्स आगे बढ़ानी है, तुम्हें वो करनी है, वो सब. See,
Exactly,
अर्नब,
right?
मैं इसका biological part और उस पे तो I will never even go that far. My thing is this. As we हम बहुत अजीब से टाइम में दुनिया में वैसे भी है. If you go looking for people whom you are going to disagree with ना, it's it's going to end bad was my only thing. Like it's not going to end well if you're just going to go looking for
See,
someone who
as
has
long
a
as
different opinion.
you're keeping all your options कि भाई हाँ ये जो फॉर एग्जांपल इन रियल लाइफ में शो की बात नहीं कर रहा, रियल लाइफ में अगर अपनी कोई आंटी है, अपने को पता है आंटी के थोड़ा सा रिग्रेसिव है, उनके थॉट्स पुराने हैं, ये है वो सब, बट स्टिल शी हैज कनेक्शंस व्हिच माइट हेल्प मी फाइंड अ गुड फैमिली और अ गुड गाय या गुड गर्ल जो भी है, देन आई डोंट माइंड टेलिंग हर बिकॉज मुझे पता है कि मेरे प्रिंसिपल्स और वैल्यूज क्या है.
भाई ब्रिलियंट. तूने बता दिया शो का जो एंडिंग है, तूने पूरी एक्सप्लेन कर दी, क्योंकि इस शो के लास्ट एपिसोड में दे शो समवन हु हैज द ब्रेन्स टू डू दैट. तो लाइक लास्ट एपिसोड इज डील्स विद द इशू ऑफ अ वुमन, अ डिवोर्सी विद अ चाइल्ड. ओके. एंड उसमें शी फाइंड समवन ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. नो नो नो, यार बी से एक ऐप है ना यार, जो बच्चे यूज.
बम्बल.
हाँ, शाबाश शादीशुदा आदमी. तो वो वाला ऐप उसने उस वाले ऐप में शी फाइंड समवन एंड उसके उस बंदे के साथ बन जाती है. वहाँ बोल देती है आंटी को टाटा बाय बाय.
Yeah, I mean, see, you auntie से आप करते रहो. If auntie finds a good family, a good guy, girl for you, great, right? You can still explore. At the
Yeah,
same time, if you have
a lot.
different options open,
Yeah, because there is one person in this who then decides कि मैं तो अब शादी नहीं करने वाली, क्योंकि अभी के लिए I am ready to take a pause because the two people she met through auntie were like terrible, and it felt very
Okay, I would suggest
unfair.
even better solution, right? Just replace the auntie with a virtual auntie called Tinder or Bumble or Coffee Meets Bagel or etc. And you don't have to get judged. You cut out the middleman completely.
यार Kevin, on a क्या कहते हैं, on this topic, why don't you tell us some of your Tinder stories?
I don't know what you guys are talking about.
no, actually, Kevin ने जो point लाया ना, I'm very curious to know. पता नहीं वो ये study करते हैं क्या Tinder और सारे apps कि उनमें जो भी relationships actually कितने percentage long term में evolve होते हैं. I would be very curious to know कि
I
are
don't
people
think
using
so.
these apps? पता नहीं. I mean, I'm curious to know कि क्या कुछ
Yes,
data है क्या इनके पास.
someone must have
I'm
done
pretty
a
sure
study,
majority
but
of
yeah.
them don't. I'm pretty
Yeah,
sure
for sure.
majority of
But
them don't.
Even if
because you get
10%
like match.
10% भी हो
Sorry,
रहा है, that's a pretty big deal, right? Even 10%
नहीं
अगर app के through
10% भी
आजकल
भाई,
शादियां
That's
हो
too
रही हैं,
high. That will be too high in my opinion. I don't think
that
I'm
will
just
be too
throwing a
high in
number.
my opinion.
Wait, when you
Yeah,
say
I'm just
long,
throwing a number out.
when you say long term, what is the definition of a long term relationship? Like 6 महीने
शादी,
या 1 year?
okay, नहीं शादी, sorry, I think correct.
Then it will be less than
शादी is the
1,
right word.
less than 2, 5% would be my वो.
Even less than that, I think.
Yeah, 1 या
personally.
2% होगा क्योंकि
Possible, but I'm curious to know कि यार ऐसा होता है क्या? Because ये जो अमृत जो तूने ऐप बोला ना बम्बल वाला, so apparently this is a new thing. यहाँ पे it's not meant for dating. People are using this app for professional network, for making friends and n number of things. At least उनका वो concept है. They are not promoting themselves as a dating app. And I think इसमें even Priyanka Chopra and these kind of investors have put in their money. But regardless, like
But
Kevin, you should join the
99.8% are looking for dates only on that app. As far as what I've seen in Bumble, I mean, Priyanka Chopra can bullshit how much ever she wants, but she's singing a song to the wrong people. I mean, people are.
नहीं मैं कह रहा हूँ कि लोग इनिशियली ऑब्वियसली दे गो ऑन दिस एप्स फॉर डेटिंग बट इवेंचुअली वो टर्न किस फॉर्मेट में होता है दैट्स व्हाट आई एम क्यूरियस अबाउट इवेंचुअली ऑब्वियसली आप टिंडर पे जा रहे हो यू नो कि दिस इज मेंट फॉर डेटिंग बट
Yeah,
कैन इट इवेंचुअली
I've heard of Tinder relationships going long. Like I know of
Same.
someone. I met someone actually in your home state quite recently who had a huge Tinder relationship, but it fizzled out. Like they lasted quite थोड़े टाइम के लिए कुछ सालों का भी लंबा था शायद, but uh, it didn't last long. I've never seen a Tinder relationship reach like marriage.
Would you guys say,
मुझे
would
पता
you
नहीं है
guys count 14 months on and off long term?
नहीं ओके वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मैरिज लेट मी करेक्ट इट वो
You have to
लॉन्ग टर्म
understand.
गलत वर्ड था
Kevin ने जो Kevin Arnav का goal post is marriage. Are you
Okay,
talking about
sorry.
yourself?
क्या
No, I was just asking a question. That's all.
You're
आई
asking
थिंक
about
केविन वैलिडेट कर रहा है अपना ऑस्ट्रेलिया का इंसिडेंट
Kevin left Kevin का baby kangaroo ना हाँ.
Okay,
वो
that was
never
the
yeah.
longest. Okay, that was the longest one I have met through Tinder. So yeah, that's why I was just wondering what your long-term definition was.
नहीं मैं शादी की बात कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज अपन मैट्रिमोनी और सबकी बात कर रहे थे अपन
I
ट्रेडिशनल
think
आंटीज
I think if you have to do a study like that, I would personally do it as an age group. So like 18 to 25, I would probably not put in that category because you're gonna get less than 0.005. That's just gonna bring down your curve. So if you truly want to study that data, I would probably say 26 above or 27 above, like people who I probably want to get serious at that time.
अगेन वही बात की अपन से इफ यू आर सेइंग कि लेट शादी करना इज जस्टिफाइड व्हाई नॉट अर्ली शादी करना इज जस्टिफाइड
Hey, that's a
Hey,
different ball game altogether. Like, I mean,
yeah.
you can't expect college girls, 22-year-old and 23-year-old wanting to get married, right? Like, majority of them don't want to get.
नो मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि किसको शादी करनी है मैं कह रहा हूँ कि आई डोंट थिंक यू कैन पुट अ एज लिमिट एनीवेज वो कैसे स्टडी करनी है आई डोंट थिंक वी शुड गो इनटू एटलीस्ट मुझे नॉलेज नहीं है उसमें ज्यादा
Yeah, no,
तो
but
कैसे भी
that would make like Tinder would make for an interesting sociological survey. But as long as our Rogan is having technical difficulties, so I'm going to ask Kevin to introduce his topic. क्योंकि शादी वाले टॉपिक सुन कर ही अलग से डिप्रेशन आ जाता है. बोल भाई.
Oh, I think there's a update. I think Akash has gone offline because it's official
Okay,
that
no.
Chelsea-
I'm back. I'm back.
पॉसिबल
Chelsea lost ना. But yeah,
Yeah,
अभी नहीं
it's
12
sad.
मिनट एक्स्ट्रा टाइम चल रहा है. क्या हो रही है? But yeah,
Akash
नहीं
is,
मुझे लगा आकाश भाग गया कि शादी का टॉपिक चल रहा है इसलिए
Akash Abu Dhabi में पानी का पंगा खत्म हो गया.
वो तो
Anyway,
बच
yeah, so I missed everything that happened due to technical difficulties.
कुछ नहीं. We were shifting to Kevin's topic. और अर्नव, is your topic ready भाई? इस हफ्ते तो पूछ ले अपना टॉपिक.
मेरे पास टॉपिक है मैं उस टाइम से प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं था
अच्छा
तो
पूछ
शुड वी
ना.
मूव ऑन टू सेकंड टॉपिक
Yeah, go
Yeah,
ahead. Yeah, it's,
Yeah, Chelsea lost, man.
एक्चुअली
What
मेरी
rubbish.
क्यूरियस क्यों बिकॉज अभी अपन इस ये पेंडेमिक केस में चल रहे हैं व्हिच इज जो स्लोने का नाम नहीं ले रहा सो आई एम वेरी क्यूरियस टू फाइंड आउट कि तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि इसके लॉन्ग टर्म इम्पैक्ट्स ऑब्वियसली नो वन नोज एग्जैक्टली बट व्हाट डू यू थिंक इसके लॉन्ग टर्म इम्पैक्ट्स ह्यूमैनिटी पे आने वाले हैं बिकॉज इससे पहले एटलीस्ट जो मैंने सुना है पेंडेमिक ऑफ दिस स्केल हैपेंड लाइक either HIV और उससे पहले स्पेनिश फ्लू मुझे दोनों के ही इम्पैक्ट पता नहीं कि ह्यूमैनिटी पे क्या आई मीन HIV के फ्री पता है बट स्पेनिश फ्लू के आई हैव नो आइडिया, मुझे हिस्ट्री के बारे में पता नहीं है. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि इसके ह्यूमैनिटी पे किस तरह के इम्पैक्ट्स आने वाले हैं इन शॉर्ट टर्म एंड इन लॉन्ग टर्म? शॉर्ट टर्म इज, जो मुझे समझ में आता है, मे बी लाइक पीपल विल बी वेयरिंग मास्क, और ये इस टाइप की हैबिट्स डेवलप, मोर हाइजीनिक हैबिट्स डेवलप हो जाएंगी शायद, लाइक वॉशिंग योर हैंड्स रेगुलरली और ये सब. बट इसके लॉन्ग टर्म इम्पैक्ट्स कुछ, व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि क्या हो सकते हैं इसके लॉन्ग टर्म इम्पैक्ट्स?
I think the influenza had that's the Spanish flu, and that lasted for 2 years apparently, from 1918 to 1920, I believe.
Yep. Yep.
So
Yep.
I would not expect anything less from this time as well. I mean, by the time the vaccines and medicines get spread through the whole population, I would think. And still, I mean, apparently India was about to announce a medicine. Medicine's not going to be a solution either, because you truly need a vaccine to solve the problem. Because there have been cases in India where someone was cured of coronavirus and then they got sick again.
In
So
South Korea too, they saw the guy tested free, then was tested again, नहीं था, then third test में suddenly they had it again.
नहीं, बट इसका हैबिट्स पे, ह्यूमन हैबिट्स पे क्या इम्पैक्ट आएगा? दैट वो
Yeah, that's his
क्वेश्चन ज्यादा.
question. Kevin, he's asking, what do you think the long term thing
you
it
know
is
what?
going to be?
Wearing mask, I personally think it is a good move, because considering our climate, our current environmental situations, and like the fact that your air is not pure for you to breathe, especially the ones who are living in big metropolitan cities, I think a habit of wearing mask is a good move. I mean, it's much better for your health, and not to mention, there are a lot of public jackasses who smoke hell lot of cigarettes on like a bus stand and
Oh my
all the
God. Yeah, I
public
can't
areas
stand those
where they're
assholes.
not supposed to smoke, right?
Mhm.
I
And
can't stand those smokers, man.
Yeah, me too.
I mean, that's going to. I mean, wearing a mask and like teaching people about hygiene, especially countries like in India, for example. Hygiene is like that. Hygiene is not something that we have been taught from school. So that's something is going to change, I personally. So I think it's a positive change if whatever happens across it.
Yeah,
मैंने
definitely. The way
सुना, आई एम
we
नॉट श्योर इट्स अ ट्रू थिंग, कि इधर समवेयर इन जापान और चाइना कि किसी जगह पे मास्क हैज ऑलवेज बीन अ वेरी
All
नॉर्मल थिंग.
East Asia,
yeah, East
Japan,
Asia,
South
yeah.
Korea, Japan, South
And China
Korea,
too.
Even
they
China
all.
started.
I mean,
Some
even
some people
Delhi,
were
even
in
parts of, even lot of people in Delhi also used to wear masks, because on some
Only
days you just couldn't breathe.
only in areas of South Delhi वगैरह where it was more of a fashion statement and air pollution के against जब last year हुआ था.
Yeah.
But Japan, what Arnav is referring to is a very East Asian thing, specifically in
cultural
Japan and
thing.
South Korea, where people would wear, उनके वहाँ पे जब H1N1 भी आया था, and Japan में especially वहाँ पे late 90s में वो sarin gas attack हुआ था subway में. तो क्या सबवे में वो sarin gas release किया था वो cult members ने, वहाँ के लोकल उसके, तो उसके बाद पीपल हैव दिस थिंग कि लाइक यू नो उनकी इट वाज सच अ सडन वो, उसके बाद से लास्ट 20 years में देयर इज अ वेरी ब्लेटेंट
Yeah.
मास कल्चर इन दोस टू कंट्रीज.
I didn't know
Yeah.
that. I always heard that
You
Japan is
think
very
people
strict on
actually, Kevin,
hygiene.
because I mean, in Delhi, parts of Delhi definitely makes sense, right? जो तेरा point है, I think that's a valid point कि वहाँ पे pollution इतना ज़्यादा है, but that's not true for like majority of the, well, I don't know, but ऐसा
नहीं भाई,
लगता है
आई
कि it's
भाई,
not.
ओके भाई, आई हैव born raised in Delhi. एक इंसान बिफोर दिस हैज नॉट worn a mask in my area, नॉर्थ, ईस्ट, वेस्ट और आउटर दिल्ली. साउथ दिल्ली डेफिनेटली. वहाँ के अमीर
तो
लोग
वही कह
मास्क
रहा हूँ कि मैं
पहनते
दिल्ली में मे बी
हैं.
गोइंग फॉरवर्ड कि एनीवेज इतना प्रॉब्लम ज़्यादा हो गया है अपार्ट फ्रॉम कोरोना, पीपल माइट कंसिडर.
भाई
इवन
पिछली
आई
बार
वाज थिंकिंग
स्मॉग हो रहा था और हमारे वहाँ लोग कह रहे थे यार पटाखों का स्टॉक कम है.
या
दिखाई तो दे नहीं रहा, पर तब भी रॉकेट 4 घुमा के उड़ाए हैं.
आई वंडर इस दिवाली कैसे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं इंडिया में.
अबे करेंगे, कौन रोकेगा.
हाँ, इट विल बी इंटरेस्टिंग टू सी, बिकॉज़ बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे भी आएंगे, बोलेंगे अरे फटाके फोड़ो, कोरोना मर जाएगा.
हाँ,
Hi.
क्यों नहीं मानेंगे भाई. व्हाट्सएप में जो आता है सही है. अभी परसों मम्मी मुझे बुला के बोल रही थी, अरे बेटा सुन, ये बंदा व्हाट्सएप के ऑफिशियल, मैं तुम्हें याद है तुम्हें फॉरवर्ड भेजा था, व्हाट्सएप का ऑफिशियल मैसेज भेज रहा है, इसकी बात सुनो, बोल रहे कहीं लॉटरी लग गई, लॉटरी और फंड मिल गया. मैं कहा
या
मम्मी यार पढ़े लिखे होने का क्या फायदा होता है. अगर आप
See,
लोग
I
कुछ भी मान लेते हो, और मम्मी कहती नहीं पर वो बंदा बोल रहा है वो व्हाट्सएप के लिए काम करता है। वो मैं मैं
Yes,
क्या
but
बोलूँ?
like there's a strange. Oh yeah, I remember you sent us that. It was
Yeah.
interesting. But like I don't want to divert the topic, but like this is just a strange pattern I noticed. 1720 was the Great Plague. 1820 was the cholera outbreak. 1920 was the Spanish flu, and 2020 is the COVID. Like it's
Then,
that pattern is just insane.
which is not true completely. उससे पहले भी बीच में कुछ भयानक चीजें हुई हैं, like
Like
when.
Black Death was 1347 to 1350.
So yeah, it's not
जिसमें
वो
हाँ,
मैंने पढ़ा था वो post, but
yeah, like you can add numbers to everything, and every 100 years
True.
some really creepy shit has happened. So I mean,
Yeah.
if you
if you
want to, history can be interpreted in such many ways.
hmm,
Essentially हम humans equal type of बकवास कर रहे हैं in equal intervals of time, just in more fascinating ways. But Akash, बोलो, answer Arnav's question.
काश आ
No,
गया
I
क्या?
was just yeah. I've been listening for quite a while. I just didn't want to interrupt.
I think अपने host को अभी भी problems है life में बहुत.
Life में definitely, but हाँ बहुत.
Yeah. But do
Akash,
you
so
Can you
think
hear
ठीक
इसका
me?
है.
long term
Let's. Do you
impact?
want to talk about your love life, Akash? Sir.
Can you hear me?
अरे वो
Yes.
फिर कभी नहीं आएगा वो.
हाँ फिर उसके माइक फिर से खराब, his mic will mysteriously turn bad. हाँ
Hello?
आकाश भाई बात कर
Hello?
can hear
Anyone hear me?
you.
Uh, I think I'm having some trouble. I'll join in a bit. Wait. Let me try it again. Okay. Okay. Anyway, like I was just going to say that I want to know how other businesses will just like big major business like cinema halls for like we talked about this before. Will it just be miss a seat every other seat? Will people actually go to these big gatherings, like go for a cinema hall or go to stadiums? Like IPL is going to come to UAE, I think. I want
Yeah,
to know if
Yeah.
September
people will actually, if they will allow people to attend, or will they just be like the NBA or football matches, just be virtual crowds,
I
everyone
hope
just
not
watch from
because
home?
September तो आ गया, एक महीने में है ना IPL.
yeah.
Yeah, it is. And but the second wave of this thing is already coming. Like we can see people, countries again going back into lockdown. I think Japan
Yep.
also has just recently announced that they're going back to lockdown. I think, if I remember right.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
इसलिए I was curious कि इससे like सबके work life पे क्या impact आता है,
नहीं,
क्योंकि
I
ये जो
think
so called work from home का trend शुरू हुआ है, is it going to be a norm going forward?
no, I think to answer your question, my thing is, I think like Kevin was talking about like the hygiene, and I think Alia thinks it's the a business or slash economic change.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's a psychological thing, because for me, I don't refer to this plague with the Spanish flu or anything else. For me, the reference from the beginning was the bubonic plague.
Mm-hmm.
Because थिंग अबाउट द ब्यूबोनिक प्लेग वाज कि उसने यूरोप में एक वो चेंज हो गया था, लाइक इट लेड टू अ कल्चरल चेंज इन द 200-300 years after it, and I think that is the closest thing we are going to get once we step out of this, that
So
culturally,
वो change क्या थे वो?
like okay, what यूरोप में हुआ है 1347 to 1353 के बाद, the next 200 years were what was known as the age of enlightenment. 100-200 years उसके बाद printing press invent होता है. The church very intelligently decides to use the printing press to spread its material, which unfortunately in a few years leads to the rise of Protestantism, and the entire area gets fragmented, which leads to the further rise of colonialism, as you know, to compete
No,
with
but
each
how is
other.
it connected to the plague? मतलब
Let me
plague
say,
के चक्कर में या?
because the suffering that was viewed in it, that was seen during the plague, like people saw
Mhm.
mass deaths at an unbelievable level, like bodies
Right.
would be piled. So the
Mm-hmm.
literature and art that was born during that time period, due to the psychological impact of that, forced people to rethink the way they look at life. That is my essential point. My essential point is
अच्छा.
that psychologically people were forced to see कि like कुछ तो गलत है यहाँ पे, हम जिस तरीके से कर रहे हैं, like just praying alone will not solve the thing. Like हमें
Right.
थोड़ा, like it led to the growth of science. It led to a more
Mhm.
rational outlook towards world. Like Europe के
But
change which passed through everywhere else begins
Mhm.
from the sparks of the massacres that were seen during the plague. Because the plague, if you remember, mid century में comes at a time when world is very beautifully divided as राजा के नीचे ये सब वाला system चल रहा है अभी भी वहाँ पे.
हम्म,
That is, the concept of thinking for yourself does not exist. तुम्हारे जो स्टेट के राइटर्स होते हैं वो भी वही लिख रहे हैं जो बोला सिखाया जा रहा है. बट
Actually, that's an interesting point. कि even like if I think about it, like in a place like India, which is not a developed country, अभी भी like गांव में basic चीज़ों की बहुत problems है, and now they उनको ये virus और ऐसा सुनने को मिल रहा है. I think that might again, I think based on your point, कि that might जो अभी young generation है, they might start thinking about science a lot
yes,
more.
for local
Really?
improvise technique na, not even not because access, like it has forced people to understand कि यार I do not have digital access. बाहर एक बहुत महामारी है, मुझे क्या सफाई करनी पड़ेगी, मुझे क्या साफ रखना पड़ेगा, मेरे साथ क्या गलत हो सकता है, like reprioritize your problems ना.
आई
Like
थिंक लाइक जो गांव के बच्चे होंगे वो सिर्फ वायरस का वर्ड सुन के उनके लिए इट माइट बी अ बिग बिग डील, राइट? कि वो वायरस होता क्या है, लाइक व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इट इज, राइट? उसका साइंटिफिक नेचर क्या है, हाउ डज इट स्प्रेड, सो लाइक
and
ऑल द बेसिक थिंग्स दे माइट बी क्यूरियस, अगेन दिस माइट बी, बट
नहीं,
आई थिंक दैट वुड बी इंटरेस्टिंग ट्रेंड इफ इट हैपेंस.
and even that na कि like okay any day what was the number one thing that happened when the lockdown happened, specifically India का case, the migrant laborers वाला issue, right? कि
या
that became a huge political social issue, but at the end of the day it's a humanitarian issue, like in the cruelty of watching people walk one, तुम सरकार को blame करो बाहर के blame करो, doesn't matter यार, we all sat
True.
and watched them walk home. So but what the flip side of that is this, the survivors now who had to do all that know that there is urban area mein, like, I'm sure many will come back because yaar घर के लिए हो चाहिए, but there will be people who will be like yaar I understand the village is not the most profitable, but if I can learn how to sustain myself properly here, if we can revitalize our villages ground up से हम growth पे focus करें, like there's a very interesting policy which has come out which I was not aware of actually कि इंडिया में ऐसा होता है. Did you know farmers were not allowed to keep the excess stock, like उनको
Yeah,
जाके एक
I
सेंट्रलाइज्ड
noticed.
अथॉरिटी में
या
जाके मंडी में देना होता था जहाँ पे वो रेट
Mm.
डिसाइड करेंगे. एंड इट वाज अ वेरी नाउ फार्मर्स इन इंडिया, ये गवर्नमेंट ने काफी अच्छा रूल पास किया है, have the authority to directly like they can sell to the corporates, which obviously
या
still middleman का involvement होगा and it's not like वो, but it's a very good step towards कि like हमारे जो लोग इस देश को खाना खिलाते हैं they in the long run hopefully are more empowered
I
towards
think
what
from
like
what I understand they
that is
also
the
have
kind of
control over the
change
price
that
अब.
occur. Yeah, because pricing is always controlled by तुम्हारे APMC मंडी वाले लोग ना, जो मंडी
या
में जो बंदा बैठा है उसके हाथ में वो है, because if you are a farmer you cannot keep the excess stock. और आधे टाइम हम बोलते हैं कि हमारे देश में लोग भूखे हैं, बट ऑन पैराडॉक्सली हमारे स्टोर हाउस में इतना खाना पड़ा है, so there was this
या
gap. But now if these people can directly give to the people, can directly provide to anyone they want, like basically यार तू अभी बहुत अच्छा एट योर जॉब है, यू विल गिव टू द हाईएस्ट बिडर, राइट?
या
तू तो
True.
व्हाई शुडंट द फार्मर हु इज वर्किंग हार्ड आल्सो नॉट सेल इट टू द हाईएस्ट बिडर? वो तो यार अपनी बॉडी के साथ खाना बना रहे तुम सब, हम सब के लिए. साल में खारिफ का जब क्रॉप आया, अभी राबी का क्रॉप जब निकलेगा, दे दैट इज ऑल थिंग ही इज डूइंग रेगुलरली, राइट? So I
या
think that is a kind of like psychological change that we can expect as this, as a after, because
या
हमारी
आई थिंक
population density हमारी इतनी है और वी हैव लोग अभी इंडिया में 36,000 डेथ्स इश है अभी, which may not seem much, but the number of people directly influenced by this is 1.3 billion. सब पे कुछ ना कुछ फर्क तो पड़ा ही पड़ा है.
वही आई थिंक जब केविन कह रहा था कि वो जो रिंगटोन आती है आई थिंक इंडिया में
Yeah,
यू हैव
yeah,
टू
yeah.
फोर्सफुली उसको सुननी पड़ती है, बट देन मेरा भी उसमें वही पॉइंट था कि यार एटलीस्ट इट्स रीचिंग every remote part through all these
No, yeah,
means
it's
and
a good
mediums,
thing.
even
It
in
is a
all
good thing,
not only in
definitely.
India by the way, ये बहुत जगह हो रहा है,
Yeah,
सिर्फ इंडिया में नहीं हो रहा है. So I think that's a good part कि governments are
तुम्हारे
like
वहाँ पे है?
forcing it down your throat.
awareness.
हाँ?
Not in my
अरे
place. No.
यूएस इज एक्सेप्शन भाई, यूएस में प्रेसिडेंट बिलीव नहीं करता इन सब चीजों में, सो यहाँ पे बड़े प्रॉब्लम्स हैं अभी.
अच्छा निकाल
No, but
आकाश तुम्हारा है?
no. But the president wants to delay the election because of coronavirus, but he wants to
No,
keep
he
schools
cannot.
open.
नहीं वो डिले नहीं कर सकता, उसको राइट
Yeah, I know it got
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन
denied, but it's so stupid his part. But anyway,
I mean
that is
यूएस के
not.
अलग, यूएस इज एक्सेप्शन टू ऑल दिस थिंग, बट आई थिंक
Yeah,
इवन
yeah.
कंट्रीज यूरोप में जापान ऑल दीज कंट्रीज, अगर वहाँ पे जो भी आई थिंक ये तो फिर भी डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज है काफी, बट इवन लाइक
And
प्लेसेस लाइक अफ्रीका साउथ अमेरिका, यहाँ पे अगर ये क्यूरियोसिटी डेवलप होती है, साइंटिफिक क्यूरियोसिटी यंग बच्चों में, आई थिंक दैट वुड बी अ गेम चेंजर फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म.
Not just scientific curiosity, mental, wo like psychologically people ka viewpoint on like what their priorities are, what is it that I'm going to focus towards. The people who get
Yeah.
through this, because a lot of fragile condition में थे, I feel terrible for them. This forced fear or paranoia जो आया है उनके दिमाग में, उनके लिए
Yeah.
absolutely, like the cases of suicide that we are hearing, and वो अभी like you lift it up, like you'll see certain patients of corona also who were in quarantine, them committing suicide because of either they say it's an after effect of it triggering like those mental hormones in a certain way, or just like the public perception of you कि तुम बीमार हो, like it's terrible.
Mhm.
But
Yeah.
understand this, the numbers of the bubonic plague were never known. Corona में you are going to know you're going to know as 90% at least accuracy से कि कितने लोग मरे हैं. Like
Yep.
अभी around nearly 7 लाख लोग मर चुके हैं. Like that is an impact. इंडिया में 36,000 लोग मर चुके हैं. That is
Wait,
more
but
than
like some
anything else.
countries are obviously not giving those figures out correctly.
No,
I
but
won't
even
say.
Kevin, imagine countries have not given out that figures correctly also, and still,
Yeah, and still the
still,
numbers are.
still, it's about to be 7 lakhs, bro. Like imagine, मान ले सब झूठ भी बोल रहे हैं, but still, like it's
But
like
it's
a
sad. It's
yeah.
still, I still hear people uh, writing, especially people in the US, still writing that this is like all a game from by media, and like there is no a lot of the deaths are not related to COVID and etc. And you know what?
Bro.
Maybe one or two deaths were related to something else and got pulled into the COVID bracket, but the still majority are influenced by COVID. I'm
यार
But
पता
this
नहीं
thing has had
ये
damage on everything, man. It's like the mental health aspect. I think Amrit, you mentioned it. Did you?
yeah.
The psychological,
Mhm.
yeah. Mental health wise, I think you already said though, but it's going to be very bad. Like people already who had early hints of depression are just going to go deeper because this lockdowns have just been for them
Yeah.
भाई victims of
alone.
the first thing that the WHO और या इधर उन्होंने निकाला था, victims of domestic violence, when you are forced to live with your
Oh
abuser,
yeah.
when you're for yeah, this was a thing
Mm.
that people were searching and googling. Google search for domestic violence helpline went up during the pandemic. Can you imagine इनका life क्या
Mm.
होगा? Forget
Mm.
even being assaulted, the thought कि तुम्हारा abuser is now spending the whole day with you in the house. Like that is obviously our mental state क्या होगा बच्चों का who are facing that abuse, and even if the genders are reversed और वहाँ पे कोई sort of like mental abuse या physical abuse है, like we can't even fathom लोगों की क्या हालत हुई होगी. So that's where
Oh yeah, it's tragic. Yeah,
No,
जो
no,
yeah,
short term पे भी हो रहा है, जो इसके impacts हैं, it's sad.
like
Like
मैं तो मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, like Arnav is the psychologically and culturally will be the long term thing where I think the biggest change आएगा. More maybe it will make people harder and more practical in the shorter run, but culturally it is going to force them to innovate in this time and period कि
I
भाई
think वही है
decide,
कि
remove all
eventually
your plans. Like modern world
Mhm.
का arrogance है ना कि हमारे plans कोई नहीं रोक सकता. Like
Yeah.
हमने plan बना के रखा है, लोग बोलते हैं मेरा 10 year plan ये है. भाई अब क्या हुआ तेरे plan का? सब कुछ ले
So
लिया सबने.
but economically, for large companies, I think it's good because it's given them that now they figure out a way for people to work from home. A lot of them, at
No,
least.
they can
For
save
smaller
money.
companies,
They
it's
can
always
save
bad.
money on overhead
Yeah,
charges वगैरह कट जाएंगे. Like तुम्हें फालतू की building के rent के
yeah,
पैसे नहीं देने हैं.
Yeah,
exactly.
but to be honest, the people who can work from home is still a very small percentage.
Very small lucky
It
percentage
is,
actually.
but
Yeah.
I've like here at least I've seen engineers now working from home, not computer anything, just
Akash,
mechanical,
there are lots of
everything, which is
there are
very
lots of engineers in the world. How many percentage of them are actually
no no.
engineers?
Because even
Big
a
companies.
mechanical engineer can only work offline for a certain amount of time. It is the reason
No,
why
no,
there
I
is,
know,
it's called
but
mechanical. It has to be in
companies have
person.
companies have found a way to make it work. Yes, sure, they have to be on site for definitely for some
Yeah,
things.
it doesn't have to be permanent anymore. You're right.
Right, that's what I'm saying now. They've done it like either it's alternate days or either like 3 days you come, Still, that's a
Yeah.
way of managing
No,
it.
no, even
Sleep.
if they reduce the time and all of that also, like, but
Yeah,
they
yeah.
were saying, today I heard a very good idea about this. वो बोल रहा था कि thanks to the कोरोना, like बच्चों को स्कूल में 8 घंटे रुकने का कोई पॉइंट नहीं है। अगर
Mm-hmm.
बच्चों को 4 घंटे में डेडिकेटेड वो पढ़ाई कराए, जैसे अभी क्या हुआ था, जब क्योंकि ऑनलाइन स्टडीज बच्चों की कंटिन्यू करानी थी इनको, तो सरकार वुड 8 से 12 के बीच में प्रोग्राम रन करती थी टीवी पे और ऑनलाइन, ठीक है।
Yeah.
तो इट वाज़ रियलाइज़्ड कि अच्छा 4 घंटे में हम बच्चों को पढ़ा देते हैं, तो हम 8 घंटे के लिए बच्चों को रखते क्यों हैं? देन पीपल आर आस्किंग क्वेश्चन्स कि समर हॉलिडेज़ क्यों हुआ करते थे? एंशिएंट टाइम्स में यू नीडेड स्कूल में समर हॉलिडेज़ बिकॉज़ दैट वाज़ द टाइम व्हेन द पेरेंट्स नीडेड द किड्स इन द हाउस टू हेल्प इन द फार्म। अभी थोड़ा ना तुम में तुम्हारे बच्चे, आई मीन नॉट ऑल द
Yeah.
बच्चे, बट सर्टेन
To be
अमाउंट ऑफ
honest,
आर नॉट गोइंग देयर, तो तुम लेसर
Yeah.
आवर्स, लाइक दैट्स द थिंग ना, व्हाट आई मेंट, कल्चरल चेंज होने वाला है। आई अज्यूम अगेन, वी
but
नेवर नो,
Yeah, I think
बट आई थिंक
I think my school was 9 hours long, but we used to also have a long lunch break, like one and a half hour का lunch break, and then back to back classes, etc. But like
डेढ़
that
Your
घंटे
school,
का
one
लंच
your,
ब्रेक,
your,
1 hour, at
your
least
school,
1 hour का lunch
your
break we
school,
used to have.
हमारा
your
20
school
मिनट
was a
का हुआ करता
punishment,
था।
man. They put
same.
barbed wire on the walls so these guys couldn't
तुम
escape
तुम
from the
तुम
school.
1.5 घंटे में करते क्या हो बे? नहाते हो क्या वहाँ
अबे
पे?
खेलने के लिए
Um,
ऑप्शन होता है, मतलब
Amrit,
गप्पे मारने के लिए ऑप्शन है, मतलब I feel that part is going to be missed. Like there is a pro and con in everything, and I feel the social
केविन,
interaction does
लेट
help
मी
a
लेट मी
lot.
टेल यू ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द किड्स हु स्टडीड इन वो, अगर 4 घंटे का है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है।
yeah,
हमारे
yeah.
ना 7:30 पहुंचना होता था, और हमारा 20 मिनट का
20 मिनट
लंच
का
ब्रेक
लंच
होता था,
ब्रेक था।
उसके सिवाय एक मिनट और कोई कोई एक सिंगल ब्रेक नहीं था।
Ours was ma-
आई एम वेरी हैप्पी अगर 5.5 घंटे में खत्म हो
ours was
जाए।
max half an hour. But Kevin, Amrit, you have to understand, Kevin's school was like a torture house, man. They put barbed wire so the school because there
No,
was a
no.
case of
It,
student
I,
traveling
so
over the
we used to
time.
have a 20, we used to
You
have a
escaped.
20-minute lunch, and then there was like an extended period, like, because, okay, so there were classes happening at that time, but you can program your classes in a way that you can plan your classes in a way that you can get 1 hour. And that's what I did. I always made sure I had the longer break. So like I always made sure I don't do like crap like civil and not civics, and I didn't want to do civics and biology and all those courses. So I was good anyways.
Okay.
शाबाश।
Anyway, apart from your academic
ये
stuff,
सही
we'll
में
move on.
केविन
Yeah, I
But
think
स्टार्टेड
to
केविन स्टार्टेड
So we-
रैंडमली फ्लेक्सिंग इन द मिडल।
oh no no
अच्छा
no.
but
भाई, अगला
No,
टॉपिक
overall,
क्या
but
है?
wait,
yeah,
wait.
next
Overall,
topic, next topic.
I'm interested to see actually how the travel industry and tourism industry recovers from this. That's going to be very interesting for me to see.
Yeah, I mean, हर इंडस्ट्री में अपने अपने
That's
चेंजेस
powerful.
आएंगे
Yeah.
एज लॉन्ग एज ह्यूमैनिटी को ये इनोवेट करने के लिए फोर्स कर रहा है एंड टू रिप्रायोरिटाइज
Yep.
देयर थिंग्स। आई थिंक दैट वुड बी अ
Yeah,
लॉन्ग टर्म
which is my
bhai,
optimistic hope.
या
I
By
शॉर्ट
really
टर्म में
Put
I
health
really
first.
like
good about it.
no I just remember that around 1 week back I went to a ICICI bank, and like at the ATM the guy before me he just came out in an auto, and the first thing he did was use sanitizer that was in the counter, and then he used the ATM, and then he again put all the note and stuff, and then he used the sanitizer again, wiped his wallet, wiped his hand.
Oh,
I've
wow.
never seen someone like that use that, and I'm not
Mm.
judging auto drivers by that angle, but it's like it's we were never introduced to that kind of topic, to that level of hygiene. Like you
fear
should
is a
keep yourself.
powerful
No, like
motivator, my friend.
I'll give you an example. Like on the planes, I used to see someone like sanitizing their seat long time before this happened, sanitizing their tray tables. Now, when I look back at it, I before I used to think that's really weird. Now, when I look back, at it, I'm
Yeah,
like, that guy was
I
smart, man. What the
I
hell?
I would be like ये तो next level OCD है, but
Yeah,
now
this
it
guy
makes
was like,
sense.
no, but if you look at like all these airlines, people who work in the airline industry, they say the dirtiest thing nearly is probably your tray table and your chair on the
Yeah,
flight.
Yeah,
So it
because
makes sense that why
it's
you would do that.
carrying
Yeah.
it's carrying germs from around the world. But bhai,
And they say they do it to
But
clean.
your ass is
Anyway,
still on the
let's
same
move on.
cushion that has seen thousands of asses.
Exactly.
So that is not going to
Exactly.
change at all.
Anyway, let's move on that note of talk about asses.
हाँ भाई थोड़ी अच्छी चीजें, क्योंकि केविन will get over excited if we get to this. But okay, भाई अगला टॉपिक किसका है यार? अर्नव, वेरी गुड टॉपिक भाई।
Good
थैंक यू
topic, Arnav.
दो हफ्ते में तो एक टॉपिक तो लाया। बट
Okay, so let's ask first. I want to know what Kevin's topic is, then we can decide which one to cover, either mine or Kevin's. Mine's on sports. So, Kevin, what was your topic again?
Okay, let's go with sports. I'm more interested in that.
Okay,
No,
fine.
अब तो मैं
So,
केविन के टॉपिक में इंटरेस्टेड हूँ.
yeah, Kevin, just tell us your topic and we'll
Oh
decide.
no,
We'll
I
vote
just wanted to know I just wanted to know your opinions about India, US, and other countries now following and planning to ban Chinese-made applications. And like, what is the motivation and like,
That's
Okay,
it's
so
like, do you
sports.
guys
Okay.
think? Yeah, we have had too much social crap now. I need some.
हाँ भाई, I'm sorry, next week करेंगे वो.
Yeah. So, as we all have been witnessing, sports has been put on hold thanks to COVID, and now we've just finished the football season disappointingly. So, two teams won that shouldn't have won. Well,
But
Liverpool
Champions League
deserves it, but
Champions League कब है?
Champions League is still left, Akash.
yeah,
Oh,
Champions
yeah,
League is
Champions
You guys
major,
are gonna get.
but it's over for me. So it's over.
Yeah.
Don't worry, it's over.
Akash, don't worry. We also, it's over. I know Napoli is
But-
gonna thrash us and
Yeah, it's gonna be a very sad day, man. Okay, but IPL is starting soon, so we can talk about that later. But right now, the NBA is going on
Yeah.
and has come
Oh.
back. So I want to know your guys' predictions for basically everything. Who's going to win MVP, Sixth Man of the Year, Coach of the Year? What is your guys? We're going to
The
do a
award
deep dive.
अर्नव से
On
start
I'll
कर.
tell you the awards. Arnav, since you know all the awards you just said, we'll let you start.
हैं? Okay, मुझे सिर्फ MVP पता है. Defensive
Okay,
Player of the
MVP
Year.
go. MVP go. Well, I'll tell you the awards. You go. MVP. Who do you think? Pick.
मुझे कुछ आइडिया नहीं है स्टैट्स का, बट आई थिंक नो आइडिया ब्रो. मे बी हार्डन.
Harden, really?
भाई इतना पैशन
मुझे
मत दिखा
उनकी
यार.
उनको रैंकिंग का पता नहीं है यार. मुझे पिछले 4 महीने में
Okay.
ज्यादा फॉलो किया ना, सो आई हैव नो आइडिया हु वाज डूइंग वेल पहले.
I was gonna say Giannis. Or to
Okay. Okay.
गेम से वो नंबर 1 पे है ना वो बक्स.
Yeah. Bucks are number 1
Yeah.
overall, I think.
Number one.
Okay, so the ranking is, okay, I'll tell you. For the East, Bucks number 1 with a record of 54 wins, 12 losses. Then Toronto Raptors, Boston Celtics, Miami Heat.
ओके बस
Indiana
उसके बाद
अच्छा
मैच
भाई हाँ आगे की लिस्ट पूरी
I mean,
बताएगा क्या?
8. Okay, and then the West, I'll read the top 4 in the West. Then Los Angeles Lakers with 50 wins, 14 losses. Then Clippers, Denver Nuggets, and Utah Jazz, top 4.
सवाल क्या
Which-
है?
ओके देन ग्रीक फ्रीक फॉर एमवीपी.
Oh,
Same.
Everyone try saying his name though first.
Giannis
Antetokounmpo.
एंटनकुम्पो.
Giannis
Antetokounmpo.
Antetokounmpo. You guys can't say.
Antetokounmpo,
You
you
guys can't
fools.
even pronounce Giannis Antetokounmpo.
Yeah,
I can
Giannis
say Giannis.
Antetokounmpo.
यानिस बोल सकता हूँ मैं, एंटनकुम्पो नहीं बोल सकता.
Why can't you say Giannis Antetokounmpo? है अर्नव पालनेकर नहीं बोल सकते.
Yeah,
तुम तो कोई बेचारे का
एंटनकुम्पो
नाम
is
ही
a very
नहीं
complicated thing.
Antetokounmpo, man. No, it's not that hard, man. Charles Barkley says it very well.
नहीं, अब इसको तो सीख बेटा. Chuck had to learn because eventually इतनी बार टीवी पे दिखाते हैं हर शाम
Yeah.
को.
Shaq gave up. He just kept saying Greek freak. He's like Greek freak, man. Greek freak.
But isn't
Man,
that a
maybe the Greek
terrible?
freak is
Isn't that a like उसको Greek freak because nobody could say his name.
mean,
That's the
basically.
nickname they gave him. But yeah,
I mean, it's a compliment though.
yeah, okay, I guess
I guess
freak.
the guy is actually a freak, though, man. Have you seen his hands? His whole.
I
the
knew
way
he was going to talk about hands, Akash.
What
Are
part
you
of his
intimidated?
anatomy? What part of
Are
his
you
anatomy?
relating?
No, guy, if you've seen his, like him and Kawhi Leonard have the freakishly big hands, man.
Akash, were you measuring something else with your hand and then
And you know what
comparing
they say
No,
about
no,
with their
no.
hands?
Akash, is your significant other a fan of Greek freak?
I don't think he knows who Greek freak is.
Oh, that's what you think, huh? But I'm just asking.
हाँ, interesting. अमृत से significant other आकाश ने आंसर किया. Nice.
I know. That's why अगर मैं नाम या लड़की या वैसे कुछ बोलूँ, if you ask him तमीज में अंग्रेजी में सारे जवाब दे देता है ये.
Oh no, I was
Yeah,
talking about Kevin. Who are you guys talking about?
Oh yeah. Yeah, दोनों Johnny, it doesn't matter. It's okay.
Oh, screw you guys.
अच्छा भाई फिर हमारा ये थोड़ा वो मुझे
Okay,
I thought you had
MVP.
controversial questions for us. Like
No,
what
no,
are
Same
that
here.
will get there. We'll get there. Okay, MVP first. I'm making it simple. MVP Amrit Arnav said Greek Freak
Yeah, I
or
think Greek Freak.
Giannis Antetokounmpo.
He's good for the league, yeah, for good face for the league.
You don't think
Not only
LeBron
that,
might
नहीं
get
नहीं,
at his
LeBron has
age?
Anthony Davis. LeBron has Anthony Davis.
इसकी
True.
टीम में Chris Middleton seems like the water boy, so I think
Yeah.
like he's there to
Yeah,
hype
that's what I have to
someone up.
give.
अकेले
That's
भाई
why I'm
वो
on to him.
he's alone on his team and Chris Middleton genuinely seems like the guy who's like हफ्ते में 3 बार खेल रहे
Yeah.
एक गेम में अच्छा करूंगा बाकी 2 गेम मुझसे उम्मीद मत करियो भाई
I feel Chris Middleton's a bit overrated as a player, but
Ex-
I
He
भाई
think
has
बहुत
improved. He
बहुत
has improved a lot, but still
he's
nowhere
improved a
close
lot.
to.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
it's
To the
the
supporting
impact,
cast
right?
LeBron has. Definitely
He
no.
has an amazing on-court demeanor. He is a decent shooter. He spaces quite well. Unselfish player. All
Yeah,
of those
definitely.
things are there. But
No, but
it's not a LeBron AD punch though. It's not a Paul George
no,
Kawhi Leonard punch. It's
it's
not
not
a
a
one.
strong punch.
It's not a one two punch. It's a 1 and 1.25 punch. तो like वैसा वो वाली बात हो जाती है.
At least so far, yeah. Playoffs में पता नहीं if something changes, but
But
yeah, so far
but
if season MVP तो yeah,
but
यही है.
we've seen 2 playoffs, and I think बेचारा यानिस अकेला ही है एक तरीके से. Again, I feel
But that
personally.
the general manager, I don't know the name obviously, but he's built the team pretty well around this Giannis man. He's
And the
surrounded him by shooters everywhere.
and the perfect coach, if you ask me.
Yeah, and the coach is amazing, man. He took Atlanta Hawks to Mike Budenholzer took Atlanta Hawks to like #1 seed in the East. And
Yeah,
who did
and
they
then
have?
they had Jeff Teague, Millsap, this guy was Hofford was there, right?
Horford, yeah, and DeMar Carroll,
उसका
and
first
Kyle
season, I
Korver.
think that was his first season, if I'm not wrong. I don't remember.
It's okay.
Who's-
वो Bucks में last year है उसका anyway, so it's fine.
Why?
But why is it last year?
नहीं sorry, मैं Greek Freak के बारे में बात कर रहा था. My
Oh,
bad.
okay.
वो कहाँ
Yeah,
जा
if
रहा
he joins Golden State, man, I swear I'll be so pissing off, man.
है? वो सही में उसका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट खत्म हो रहा है क्या इस साल?
Yep. Is Sal or next year? I have no idea.
पता नहीं.
But it is finishing, and apparently the Warriors have already started recruiting him.
शाबाश.
Do you guys think Devin Booker's game will drop now that
The
this
fuck?
girl Kendall Jenner is dating him?
Yeah, I knew he was going to say when he picked up Devin Booker. I knew it. So
I mean,
Kardashian
if you
curse
look
is
at the history,
real.
okay, Jordan Clarkson
Kevin
game
said
dropped.
Kevin said
D'Angelo Russell.
Kevin said Kendall like in my I heard Chandan Jenner. I was like Chandan Jenner.
Kendall Jenner. Yeah.
Kevin,
I mean,
you're
Ben
right. but
Simmons. I mean, look at the history, man.
The Kardashian curse is very real, Kevin. It's very
She's
Yeah.
like kryptonite, man. Why the fuck would you? Why the fuck would you follow that ass?
Why not?
that
वो कौन सा
reason.
जीतने वाला है अभी? How does it
that-
matter? वो
Yeah,
जीतने
yeah,
नहीं
yeah,
वाला
yeah.
वो.
और उसने कुछ 150 मिलियन का नहीं क्या कहते हैं वो कर दिया है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन वो जो मन में आए करे अभी अब उतने
Yeah,
पैसे
he's
कमाने
young,
का
yeah.
फायदा क्या है यू हैव टू डेट अ कार्डाशियन आई गेस उनके लिए इट्स लाइक अ राइट ऑफ पैसेज
Man, the Phoenix Suns have been in rebuild mode since Steve Nash was
वो
there. I think I don't even remember. Last time with Steve Nash and Stoudemire, they were good.
Devin, by
After
the way,
that, they've been-
Devin, मैंने Devin Booker की age, he's 23 by the way.
He's
So
very young.
He's very young, man.
And DeAndre Ayton is still growing, even though he gets caught with drugs for some reason all the time.
eventually he will move to some super team and then जीत जाएगा वहाँ पे Devin Booker. So
या
it's good है वो अभी date कर रहा है वो.
हिम कैट एंड डीरो वगैरह मजे में वो they'll somehow find a way together and
Man,
they'll be fine.
D'Angelo Russell confuses me, man. He's so talented, but he does some stupid shit all the time.
Okay, anyway, let's stay on the topic. अभी Kevin का topic बचा है. So move on.
Did Aiton get into trouble as well for like some kind of drugs in his body
Yep.
at the
Yeah.
start of the season?
But
Yeah.
that was not intentional. वो intentional नहीं था. वो कुछ
No,
ने गलत.
Yeah,
was a
Yeah, I
diuretic.
had that ass wipe. I had that ass wipe on my fantasy basketball.
I was going to say rest in peace our fantasy league.
Sid
wait,
won,
did it?
man. Sid won.
Oh,
Sid
restart.
won.
Oh, is it?
No. Yeah, Sid won. I got a notification that Sid won.
सही में?
Asshole
No,
Sid.
I didn't get any notification.
I don't think I
Very
won. Okay, since I didn't get a
Maybe.
notification, I'm gonna take it.
Yeah, Kevin, you didn't win. Don't worry.
You know,
Don't
you
worry,
know. To be
didn't.
honest, I'm very happy that we took a like we had six people in that group. I didn't come last at least.
अबे बट हाउ डू वी लाइक पता कैसे लगता है कि कौन जीता? लाइक खत्म हो गया? आई
It
थॉट
just ended the season after the COVID, basically. It just ended the season.
ओह
It didn't continue.
दैट्स सो अनफेयर.
It is unfair. I would have made it to the top, even though Sid was changing players left
I
and
was
right.
I was waiting for the playoffs, but yeah. Anyways,
The playoffs, it doesn't count.
No, players don't count.
no playoffs as in fantasy playoffs, Gawar.
Oh, that, yeah. If we got to play
Oh,
it.
we can
Yeah.
do like a yeah. We can,
You can do
But
a
yeah. So what are your
no.
what are your picks for the winner of the NBA finals? What are your picks?
Wait, no. You should go by the each conference.
अबे 4 घंटे का पॉडकास्ट हो जाएगा फिर.
Yeah, yeah, no,
Same
no.
hai.
We're just going to the main. Picks for the finals. Go. Amrit, go first.
Uh, Bucks, Lakers in 7.
Yeah, that's what I was just about to say. Bucks versus Lakers out.
Enough.
I mean, yeah, Bucks, Lakers in
I
5,
would-
yaar. 7 ka.
नहीं
Do you
नहीं
guys think Clippers
नहीं.
can Clippers can
think
come at the last moment and
I mean, I hope so, but highly
I
doubt.
think
Arnav,
Clippers.
Arnav is doing that thing where he's going to say the reverse because he's just to hope.
Obviously.
Yeah. क्या बेवकूफ है
Clippers.
Arnav.
I'll say
For all the
Dude,
maturity he shows, he'll do stupid things like that also.
इसमें stupid क्या है? मैं लेनर्ड और उसको जॉर्ज को कब से फॉलो कर रहा हूँ. They have always been my favorite players. इसमें stupidity क्या है?
चुप.
yeah.
Say वही
Favorite players. I don't know
yeah,
who
I
to
didn't.
if I should trust you, man.
But
यार
Lakers is
Okay.
overpowering on
हमेशा
paper,
यार
I guess.
इंग्लैंड इज 192 फॉर 6. उनको 21 रन चाहिए 21 ओवर में अगेंस्ट आयरलैंड. नेवर
Oh, how
माइंड.
many 3-pointers did they shoot?
व्हाट?
What?
We were talking about basketball.
क्रिकेट. नेवर माइंड. हाँ बोल.
Anyway, so mine's going to be Clippers, Bucks, I'd say, and Clippers in 6. I think.
Wow.
What do you mean? Wow?
By 6.
I want to agree with you so we can play PUBG.
Yeah. So I think Clippers in
एक
6
सेकंड.
because
केविन तूने सोने की एक्टिंग करी ना, चपेट मारूंगा मैं वहां आके.
I think Clippers in 6 because I think Giannis needs help, man. He doesn't have enough help at all. He'll make it through the
Dude.
East because I don't see anyone in the East stopping them.
तू तो फाइनल्स की सोच रहा है. वो लेकर्स को कैसे हराएंगे पहले?
I think Clippers will manage to
It
stop
will be.
Lakers.
You know what? After I genuinely think it will be a toss up. I think LeBron will edge them out this year.
Yeah, I think
I
AD will
Sure.
edge them out. मुझे लगता है.
This shortened season, especially without the burden, the break, and everything, actually helps them a lot more, especially him specifically.
Mhm.
So I
Yeah.
think this year they'll edge him out. Next year, I don't think. Whoa, this is this rare window that has opened for him to win. I feel
वैसे
personally.
मेरा इसलिए
This
I mean,
break,
Clippers is a
this
great team.
rehabilitation.
James is not a problem for them इस साल Clippers के लिए because they have two best defenders वहाँ पे.
Yeah,
But
they have two
problem
three-
great. No, they have
they
two
have
great
like 3,
wing
4
defenders.
great
They have
defenders.
no. They have two great. They have probably the two best wing defenders in the league,
Mhm.
but
who
they
can guard
don't have. Yeah,
Yeah.
who can very. Who have guarded, and one of them I has beaten him before.
yeah.
But the problem is there is LeBron के बिल्कुल पीछे एक दूसरा freak of nature
Exactly.
है, who is a Greek
Yeah,
freak in
but
his
he
own
has to
way.
step up quite a
So
bit as well.
he,
Because if LeBron
yeah,
doesn't perform, he has to.
He will. Because thing is,
he
when you're
will,
playing
yeah.
with LeBron, right? तुम्हारा anyways game 10 times better हो जाएगा. Even J.R. Smith plays better with LeBron यार. ये तो AD है.
Yeah, and he's literally going to force him into a position where he'll have to be that guy.
The thing
It'll
is,
be
Clippers
interesting
don't
to
have
see.
answer for
'Cause
him.
Yeah, I
Chris
think
Bosh and Kevin Love, I feel their game kind of regressed after playing with LeBron because
they are
But they were
nothing
different
like
LeBron
with Chris
Anthony
is-
Bosh
Davis. You
and
cannot compare
Anthony
them.
Davis.
You cannot compare them to Anthony Davis though.
no,
They
no,
are
you
not
can't.
worthy
But
of
they
players
all
to
play similar position to Anthony Davis as well.
they plays the power they played a power forward उस वाले era में correctly, but they were both very good on teams where they were the solo primary wo. That's why they got amazing stats. Bosch on the Raptors and this guy on
Minnesota.
in Minnesota. Both of them were force fed the ball throughout for those double
Yeah,
double
they were the
20
main
and
player of the team.
exactly. This is not that. Anthony Davis, without even demanding the ball, uske putbacks or rebounds or defensive ability
कल का
alone
गेम
se changes
कल का
any
परसों
game.
Not
का
to
गेम
mention, he
Any
sometimes
game.
even shoots the 3-pointer.
Lakers should win, but now I think Clippers signed Joakim Noah, right? But he's old now. He used
I
to be
think that's
so
just
good.
to troll LeBron.
Akash.
Like I think that's just to troll LeBron.
Yeah, he's a trash talker to LeBron only. But he used to be so good, but I used to like Joakim Noah a lot
No,
for
I
Chicago.
think
again, that was the time. That was the last time the league had like
Man,
individual, like that Bulls team with Rose, Noah, Boozer,
yeah.
and that's the
don't
thing, na,
remind
like,
Boozer, man. Don't remind me of
Lu-
Boozer.
Deng, Luol Deng tha, then Kirk Heinrich would randomly get angry at people. Like that team, must team
It
thia
was a
to.
great team to
Like
watch.
entertaining.
But I think Clippers में I have hopes from that guy. मुझे उसका नाम नहीं Montreal क्या नाम है उसका?
Montrezl
Uh,
Harrell.
De- uh,
Montrezl
Montrezl
Harrell.
Harrell.
I think
यार
he has potential.
यार वो और Louisville जब वो
He'll
I
leave,
think
man.
it's best second unit I've ever seen in like last 2 years में especially.
Yeah.
Like जब
Clippers,
वो like it was funny na before the playoffs started, people were like, "Ha, everyone knows they're going to run a pick and roll." But when they actually run a pick and roll and nobody can do anything about it, it's when I started feeling, "Acha, they're actually good."
but
I mean,
this is
We
the
अगर
forgot.
season they have to.
और कोई
This
center
is the
था, he could have easily stopped them. But because it's Anthony Davis, he's like a exceptionally good player for any of these. Yeah, I mean, उसको रोकना impossible है. And he's like LeBron James. You cannot stop him. You can slow him down maybe, but you cannot. He can actually score you 40 points at will.
If he
Wait,
This
wants
could be
later on,
to.
Montrezl Harrell's last season, huh? Because his contract's up and he's going to be wanting to get paid, man,
So
100%.
he will get paid.
But who
wait,
will pay? I don't think Clippers will be able to manage to pay him the money
ऐसा
he wants.
I think NBA में ownership matters quite a lot.
Balmer will pay them, I think. He knows the
Yeah, he will
importance of holding that team together, especially
He's
a
a
team with a
There's a
championship
cap
window.
though, no? There's a cap. They can't if they go
No,
over the cap.
he
They
will.
can't pay.
They'll have to pay luxury tax, I know, but
Yeah,
It's a luxury.
he appears to be the person who would assume
he's
करता हूँ.
you assume that, but let's see. We'll have to see if he'll pay.
We never know what
Yes.
rich people will do.
Stupid
I mean,
Chicago
if
has
he's
not been able to pay
if he's
luxury cap for
क्योंकि
so
वो
long.
I don't think they
That's
want
true.
to. Very
They
difficult.
never want to. They never want to.
it depends, right? Ownership should be able to afford
Yeah.
it.
No,
He's the
100%.
richest
All
guy.
owners can afford it. All
True.
owners can afford to pay
नहीं
luxury
नहीं
cap.
नहीं
Most
नहीं
of them.
not आकाश they don't सारे ओनर इतने पैसे वाले नहीं है भाई.
नहीं.
Luxury
It's not about like किसके who is willing and who has the ability are
Yeah.
two very different things,
yeah,
I think.
that's what I was about to say.
Willing,
Definitely.
yeah. Willing to, like Golden State was willing to do it for so long.
Because if all of us, if we want to like buy a expensive gadget abhi, but it will be like करने का sense बनता है या नहीं वाला is a very specific difference for
Yeah,
everyone.
because then you have to think about financials, right? But if you don't have to think about financials, then obviously we'll try to build the best team possible. So
Who's your guys' dark horse then?
Let's have interesting picks, guys. We all said Bucks Lakers and Bucks Clippers. Let's have
Kevin, you
interesting
can
picks.
say Suns even though they're not in the playoff picture.
I'm going to start with
Screw
mine are the Mavs. Like
Not bad.
I'm just assuming Luca goes into like takes all the Eastern European drugs that he finds
Man,
and goes super crazy और यहाँ पे testing तो होने नहीं वाली and like he just shoots his way through this
they
entire
lost against
thing
Houston
and somehow ends up
yesterday.
winning the game. हाँ overtime में
But
हारा ना
I
भाई
mean, come on,
क्या
man.
बच्चे की जान
No center. Kristaps Porzingis was dominating. They should have just kept on giving it to him.
Yeah,
Like
but
he was like
after that,
killing him.
Porzingis is not the person you want to pass the ball to. Also, like I just have, he seems like a Eastern European model who somehow turned up into an NBA player. But
He's
I
skilled,
think
man.
very, very directly, for me, my dark horse are the Mavs.
Okay.
Like, and I want, yeah, because I actually want them to win. Like I want them to win. I love seeing Luka play. I like, मैं चाहता हूँ ये जीत जाए.
yeah, I mean,
Man.
but more than Mavs, I think I want Rockets to win because वो बहुत सालों से try कर रहे थे. Like for past 4 years they should have, but unfortunately they were
What, did-
playing
what does
against
Charles
Golden.
Barkley say? All Harden does is dribble.
So he calls, the best is he calls him the dribbler.
He's like, oh, there's another player who's not going to get the ball from Harden.
But I agree with Amrit. मैं कल का match देख रहा था, and Mavs are the future. If they manage to keep the team and everything.
No, they're going to
depth,
keep.
right?
Cuban knows, right? Cuban knows
Yeah.
that because Arnab, most important thing for Cuban is this. He knows more than anyone else that bhai suno, Luka and Porzingis is a marketable thing. It's
Yep.
a
Oh yeah.
lovely marketable combo. तो कुछ भी बोलो, you will have a very important core audience that will 100% stick on to this. So it's going to be fine. Like they're not going to have any issues like continuing this or any of that.
Because मुझे वो उसको मुझे बहुत मजे आता है. Like when I'm watching him play, right?
I love it, yaar. I love it.
Brilliant. Yeah. Well, like
He's
I'm not even
amazing.
supporting them,
जब
but like I
पूरी पूरी टीम को खिलाता है,
And
इंडिविजुअल
the
वो भी करता है. It's like
crazy thing is,
smart plays throughout.
he's not even in his prime, and he's putting up these
yeah,
numbers.
He's 20, right?
Yeah,
I think
he's
so.
so young. He's so young. He can't. I think
Just
he just
check, he's 21. He just turned 21.
21. I
today.
think. Yeah,
Yeah.
he's just got legal age to drink in America right now, and he's still not reached his prime
I'm
yet.
sure he's been
That's like,
drinking, Akash. You don't have to
oh,
worry about
100%.
that. Kevin, who's your dark horse pick, bhai?
I was just gonna throw it like Boston. Chalo.
No, actually, that's a
Actually,
great pick, Kevin.
actually,
From Eastern
That,
Conference, Boston is a
I
great
wouldn't
pick.
call them a dark
No,
horse actually.
no. I would
I was
call
just
them.
looking at their.
Nobody expects anyone expect the Bucks to win. So
Yeah.
these guys would be with that. For me, it would not be the players, but their coaching.
No, they're coaching is good.
Right?
But
But if you
I mean,
look
I
at
would.
the last couple of the games, they're actually doing really good. I was just going by that.
Boston has always been
ये
a
कल हारे हैं
stugger
ना?
team.
ये
Yeah,
कल
they lost to Bucks.
Bucks से हारे.
Yeah, they lost. Bucks have been playing like crazy well during this whatever this COVID post-COVID
They've just
area.
they've just
arena that-
continued being the Bucks.
Yeah, but my pick is Miami. Let's go. Pat Riley is some other level genius. The way he's got all this Bam Adebayo, all these people to buy in. Jimmy Butler, adding Jimmy Butler, I think was a genius move on his part. Even
No, I
maybe a
do
genius
think
move on
they
Jimmy
have
Butler's part. He like
they
fits
have a good
perfectly in that.
I find them a fun team, but I think they're one star away. I think.
Yeah, they're not good. I think, but I think they have the chance to at least make Eastern Conference Finals.
No.
maybe. Yeah.
This was for winning. I genuinely think
No.
if the Macs are lucky enough, they'll win. I mean, I don't genuinely think that, but
No,
Kevin's
I think,
pick, I think, is the best one. Celtics would be the best dark horse to win
I don't think
because
Celtics have
nobody
enough to win.
can even beat.
They're too inexperienced, I feel.
No, I think they are experienced. Weirdly, that group has gone through this last
They
2
have
years.
they went to
Yeah.
the Eastern Conference Finals without Kyrie.
I know, and they're young and they have that guy. And in this time, that's why I said coaching specifically. Because when Kevin said Celtics, I immediately thought, okay, Brad Stevens, fuck. Like I feel coaching is a very underrated thing in many people's mind. Because हम assume करते हैं the team with the best athletes win. In this shortened function where people are playing in these scrimmage halls and they're out of their comfort zone, I think Brad Stevens can pull off something. That's why, in my opinion, that pick was
No,
I
मेरा
think the
इसमें
best dark
इंटरेस्टिंग
horse
पॉइंट है.
pick.
You know, तूने बोला कि वो कंफर्ट जोन में नहीं है अपने,
Hmm.
but I feel exactly the other way around, especially for young players like Jason Tatum. I think they are in much more comfort zone because जो एक
Yeah,
pressure होता है audience का,
Hmm.
they cannot handle it right now in a
Yeah,
close game situation. I think
But of
scrimmage
course,
जो बच्चे खेलते आ रहे हैं, I think that's more of their comfort zone for young players. I feel.
No, yeah, that's
what
right.
makes you
Home
think
court
that they have no
advantage is gone.
experience? They have Kemba Walker
No.
and Gordon Hayward and the
Kemba Walker has not made a playoffs for I don't know how long. Mushkil se he's made 1-2 playoffs in Charlotte.
वो
Not
तो
Charlotte.
Charlotte का bad luck है ना यार.
Charlotte never made. So
इसलिए वो
no,
dark
but
horse है. We're not picking them first, but I think for Eastern Conference, even for me, they will be dark horse.
I don't think they'll make it that far because I think last season regressed their kind of standing, their ranking for me because what happened last season I think damaged the team in a way.
But I
वो
And
बंदा
then Al Horford leaving.
I think
all
they cut off the rotting thing.
But
off.
I think that had an effect on their team now because everyone was they were putting Kyrie ahead of everyone, the team, the coach, and everything. So that had
I
some
think
kind of stress.
Kemba
on the
is
team.
the perfect nice guy for that
Yeah,
team.
Kemba is perfect, but I think also losing Al Horford in that is kind of a blow to them to make their front court
Yeah,
less
we
strong.
We forget that the 76ers exist, no? It's
Yeah,
so
no,
hard.
but that's the thing. 76 have been disappointing, and people blame Jimmy Butler when he left. And he said in an interview that I knew at the end of that that these guys are not going to win. He said on that JJ Redick podcast. I don't know if you guys
To be
watched it.
fair, अगर जिमी बटलर कह रहा है तो that's bullshit. वो गेम 7 में लास्ट बजर बीटर पे हारे हैं वो टोरंटो
No,
रैप्टर्स
he
से.
said no. That's what he said. Now after that, he said when I saw the team, he said I knew that we're not going to go far if we
That's a
if
very
I stay.
convenient thing to say, though. I think
Yeah,
he's just.
okay. If he said
he
that,
did-
then I'm not happy.
I don't think he got the contract he wanted, so that's why he
No,
got
that's
cut in a
also
sense.
definitely. I'm not saying I agree with him, but he said like
No,
there's a
I
story of
think
Ben Simmons
I
and
think
Joel
you're
Embiid.
wrong. I think you are just wrong. Okay,
Uh,
you are
he
just
said
wrong.
obviously the tension between Ben Simmons and Joel Embiid
What
apparently is true.
the sexual tension? Oh, वैसा
The Kendall
Because
Jenner
the Raptors
factor,
made it to
like
the
Kevin.
finals last year. If वो Raptors को हराते, then वो easily
Oh yeah,
finals में
no.
last year.
Winning removes everything, man. If you win,
Yeah.
everything. But the fact is, they're not winning. No? They've underachieved quite a lot this season.
It's all
This
Kendall
season.
Jenner's.
Season,
Blame Kendall Jenner. Banner from the
Banner from the game.
banner
banner
from
from
going,
any game.
banner from existing or
Move on
what?
to Kevin's topic.
No, Kevin's topic's not being
No, I think we're
discussed now.
done.
Yeah,
because
वो अगले हफ्ते कर रहे हैं
Yeah.
भाई.
I think we've gone over the limit. That's why we weren't
नहीं,
talking
Kevin is
about.
good. तब तक तुझे पता लग जाएगा कि actual ban हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा US में. So you will have
Yeah,
more.
we'll find out.
Yeah, we'll do
Yay.
research. Bhai. Don't worry, we'll do research for you.
Yeah,
चल
research.
चलो
So,
भाई.
chalo,
Robin, take
that
us.
ends our 7th episode of this podcast. As usual, guys, we are available on all podcast services, including the major ones: Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, and Spotify. Please give us a listen, and we will see you next time on the next episode. Until then, stay safe and wash those hands. Bye.
मैं नहीं दोहरा
You
आज फिर.
suck, Akash.